2025. This segment being brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Discover Valentine's delights at Cupid's Cafe. Visit Cupid's Cafe, and it's going to be from February 3 to 16. It's going to be open for you 2025 to make February extra special with our collection of gifts, indulgent sweets, and thoughtfully selected treats. Let Royal Duty Free shops help you find the perfect way to share the love. Okay, free macaroons with a minimum purchase of 40,000 pesos, February 14 to 15. Okay, and complimentary coffee and wine for the select dates and times only. Okay, plus snap your moment for free with our Photo Man on February 14. Uy, free photo ops sa inyo ni Mahal. Ayan, with our Photo Man there. Okay, we got you covered. Once again, the Cupid's Cafe is gonna be open from February 3 to 16. Ayan, open na. Kasi February 6 na no? Ay, dumaan ako dun kanina. Sayang, di ako nakadaan. Alright, so those are the invites for you coming from our friends at the Royal Duty Free Store 1 and Store 2, 252-3258. For more details, okay, you can call them up and visit their social media pages. Here are today's holidays and observances. February 6 is International Frozen Yogurt Day. All right? If you love ice cream, the healthier alternative, frozen yogurt. Yun nga lang, with the those delicious flavors of ice cream. Doesn't beat it, you know. Okay, and today is also Lame Duck Day. Oh, sila ano, lame duck sila ano yan? Sila ano? Yun, yung mga lame duck yun. February 6 is also Sweater Day. Wear your favorite sweater, okay? Because it's the Sweater's Day today. Optimist Day. Lahat ng mga Optimus Prime. Lahat ng mga Optimist, it's your day. Play Monopoly Day. I love playing Monopoly. Sino pa mahilig sa Monopoly? Taas ang kamay, ha? Sarap laruin yan, no? Lalo na kung pang pamilya, pang barkada. It will, let time pass. Magulat ka, ang haba na ng oras na nilalaro nyo. Okay? So that's just about it. The February 6 holidays and observances for you. And for those who are celebrating their birthdays today, February 6 birthday celebrants, find out who you're sharing your birthdays with. Famous people and the likes. Here we go.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Katya Santos, one of the members of the Biba Hot Babes ba? Am I right? Dami kasi naging grupo-grupo na ganyan, ano? Di ba yung kanina, yung Sex Bomb, yung sinabi ni Kuya Alvin kanina, merong Biba Hot Babes, merong, marami pa eh. Isa to doon, si Katya Santos. Yan. February 6, 1982. Pero originally, when she was just a kid, child actress na siya with Ang TV. Ang TV na. Diba? Marami-raming cast member nun na later on in life naging sexy actress. You know? From a kiddie role to wholesome kiddie role to... So there you go. Katya Santos, February 6, 1982. Also, happy birthday to... Sino pa ba? Hindi ko kilala itong mga to eh. Lipat tayo. Lipat! Lipat ang channel! Oh, ito kilala ko itong mga to. Naku. Mga idol itong mga to. Axl Rose! Guns N' Roses, the lead vocalist. Ayan. She got smile while it seems to me. Tama-tama, kanina lang pinapakita ni Engineer Bong yung bandang idol ang Guns N' Roses. Ginagaya yung songs ng Guns N' Roses. Kaya lang, medyo paltok yung band. Pero naging hit sila dun sa gig place nila kasi nga, yung pagiging paltok nila, people love it. Yeah. Axl Rose, happy birthday to you. Turned 62 today, right? And Bob Marley, do you guys know, was born February 6, 1945. And si reggae god Bob Marley. Oh, eto pa ang lulupit ng mga nagbe-birthday ngayon, no? Rick Astley, never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Together forever and never to part. Paring Rick Astley, happy birthday sa'yo, ha? Pati na rin si paring Ronald Reagan. Yan, birth anniversary for him. He passed away back in 2004. Former US President, pero before becoming US President, actor muna siya. Yan. Parang yung idol natin na si Presidente Erap. Gaya-gaya sa akin yan, si Ronald Reagan. Subagot pero sir, nauna sa inyo si Ronald Reagan na-actor muna tapos naging artista, di ba? Mas nauna siya sa'yo. Nauna ba siya? Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi naman lahat alam yun Basta ang masasabi ko lang, if you're gonna address me, same address in Malacanang. Tapos nung naging presidente si di ba una senator muna, tapos naging vice, naging presidente. Nung naging presidente na siya, sabi nung maid niya, nung kanyang kasambahay, sir, may naghanap sa inyo, busy po ba kayo? Sabi niya, ano ka ba Inday? Hindi ka ba nagbabasa ng news? Presidente na ako ngayon, hindi na ako busy. And, nasaan yung kopyahan ko? Wala. Happy birthday to Charlie Heaton. He is part of the hit series that breaks the internet every time. It breaks the Netflix. It breaks the internet. Grabe. Stranger Things. Ayan. He played the role of Jonathan Byers there. Okay? You guys remember si Charlie Heaton? Kailan ba yung next season, ha? And he also played Cannonball in the movie The New Mutants. He's among the New Mutants. Am I right? Tama ba? Baka mali ako Anyways, yeah. I think he's one of the New Mutants. Kasi bata pa siya yeah. Next R&B artist, R&B singer Tinashe Shea. Alright, turns 31 today. Also, happy birthday to TV actress Crystal Reed. Turns 39. And yung crush ko na si Sophie Silva, huwag kayo maingay kay Mahal ha. Baka may magsumbong sa akin dyan. Si Sophie Silva na TikTok star, turns 22. Also, happy birthday to Chris Humphries. You guys remember Chris Humphries? He turns 39 today. The NBA basketball player na kinasal kay Kim Kardashian. Pero after a few days lang, divorce agad. Hours lang ba? Ilang days lang. Sabi at it was staged lang daw to to generate money, to generate income. Siyempre there was a lot of interest, which means airtime for advertisers for Grabe ang advertising sa business sa di ba? Yun lang sabon na ginagamit ng ng artista. Naku, makita lang ng tao sa TV, tatabo na yun. Brian Stepanek turns 53 today. Ayan. Si Chris Humphries, he doesn't play anymore, right? The NBA, wala na. Pansin nyo, bawat NBA player na nalink sa sa Kardashian, parang bumabagsak yung career. Di ba? Ano ba yung pangalan nung teammate, si Lamar Odom, di ba? Bumagsak ang career. Ben Simmons, bumaba rin. Ito na lang, si paring Jordan Clarkson, medyo, basta nalilink sa Kardashians. Okay, so there you have it, celebrities and the likes celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. February 6, birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And of course, I gotta greet a couple of my friends celebrating the birthdays as well. Ayan, I have to, of course. Alright. Okay. Sino nga ba? Yung mga nagbe-birthday na kaibigan natin ngayon? Okay, I wanna say happy birthday pala muna, okay, to my dear cousin, okay, Madam Joanne. Okay? Gatdula Magat. She's one of the birthday celebrant today. Yeah. And she's my dear cousin. Her mom and my dad are siblings. Kunento talaga eh, no? Happy birthday, dear cousin. And my beautiful, beautiful cousin, Joanne Gatdula Magat. All right. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.